design gems. This is Lesson 1, Introduction to VBA Programming. What is a programming language? A programming language is a system of statements used to manipulate a computer. How? There must be an input. The input will be stored. The stored data can be manipulated to produce an output. In Microsoft Access, we have important objects. First, the user form. Second, the tables. Third, reports. And fourth, the VBA. So how can we go to the Visual Basic Editor? VBA stands for Visual Basic Editor. Let's go to Database Tools, and on the Visual Basic, we can press Alt F11, and this is the VBA. This is the IDE wherein we can type our codes, and on the left side, we have here the Project Explorer, and on the left side, we also have here the properties. On our next lesson, we will have a tour on the form, tables, reports, and properties. On our next lesson, we will have a tour on user forms, tables, reports, and properties. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share if you want to be updated with my upcoming videos. Thank you and God bless.